Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off X Twitter sensitive content settings. So if you want to view graphic, violent and similar content on your Twitter application, then you will have to turn off the sensitive content settings on your Android and iPhone device. They didn't give us an option to do this in the official X application, so we will have to open any web browser on our device, navigate to google.com and then simply type Twitter in here. They didn't change the domain name yet, so we will navigate to twitter.com. The main point is that you want to open the website version of Twitter in your web browser. So when you are logged into your account, and we can continue to the next step. In disabling the sensitive content, tap on the profile picture in the top left and then select this settings and privacy option at the left side. When you get to this page, find the privacy and safety option and click on it. Now find the content you see on this page, tap on it. Our job is to modify two different settings if we want to enable sensitive content in our Twitter app. The first setting is this: display media that may contain sensitive content. This will probably disable for you, so you have to make sure to enable this option or to check it. Once you do that, open this search settings, the last option. We will have this hide sensitive content option. As you can see, this is enabled for me, but I have to disable this or uncheck it if I want to view graphic, violent and other content in my Twitter app. So enable to display media that may contain sensitive content and disable this hide sensitive content option. When you do these two steps, you will be able to view sensitive content in the X or Twitter app. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.